Shri Bhagwati, manufacture, customized, essential oil filling line. An essential oil filling line refers to a production line specifically designed for the filling and packaging of essential oils. These lines are typically used in the cosmetics, aromatherapy, and pharmaceutical industries, where precise filling and packaging of essential oils are crucial for product quality and consumer satisfaction. Here are the components commonly found in an essential oil filling line. First, filling machine. The heart of the filling line is the filling machine, which accurately measures and dispenses the essential oil into bottles or containers. Different types of filling machines may be used, including piston fillers, peristaltic fillers, or gravity fillers, depending on the viscosity and properties of the essential oil. Second, capping machine. After filling, bottles are sealed with caps or closures using a capping machine. Various types of capping machines, such as screw cappers or crimping machines, may be used depending on the type of closure used for the bottles. Third, labeling machine. Once filled and capped, bottles may pass through a labeling machine where labels are applied accurately to the bottles. Labeling machines can handle various label types, including self-adhesive labels, wrap-around labels, and shrink sleeves. Batch coding and printing. Essential oil bottles may be marked with batch codes, expiration dates, and other product information using inkjet or laser printing systems. Overall, an essential oil filling line is a comprehensive production system designed to handle the entire process of filling, packaging, and labeling essential oils efficiently and accurately, ensuring product quality and consistency. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.